10th one, write a Python program to print the alphabet pattern A. Okay, write a Python program to print the alphabet pattern A, this A pattern. Okay, so we have to design this one. Output we have to get this A. Okay, first if you want to get this alphabet pattern A, first you have to convert pattern into rows and columns. So just assume it. Okay, convert this pattern into rows and columns like this one, rows and columns. Okay, convert these rows and columns. See, rows are 0 1 2 3, 6 rows are 7 rows are there from 0 to 6 position, and columns are 5 are there, 0 to 4. Okay, for each row it consists of 5 columns here. Okay, so use for loop for rows 0 to 6 position and nested loop for columns. For each row repeat for 5 columns to fill the star at particular position. Okay, and rest of the column just fill empty spaces. So first if you take the 0th row here, okay, 0th row, observe here, first 0th row, in which positions we have to fill the stars, 1 2 3. Okay, 0th row we have to fill 1 2 3 positions. Okay, first we'll see that one. First we have to convert how many rows and how many columns are there. Okay, how many rows are there? 7 rows. For rows in range 7. Okay, how many rows are there? So for in each row how many columns are there? 5 columns. For columns in range 5. Okay, so we got the rows and columns table here. First thing is first row. Okay, if row equal to 0 and columns are 1 2 3, we have to fill the star. Okay, for row equal to 0, columns equal 1 2 3. Okay, rows are this one, rows are the here. Okay, horizontal are the rows and vertical are the columns, remember that one. Okay, in 0th row, first one, second one, third one, 3 columns are there. In 0th row, first column and second column, third column are fill empty stars. Okay, fill stars and rest fill empty spaces here. In 0th row, fill stars here in column 1, column 2, column 3, like this one. Okay, if row equal to 0 and in membership operator we have to use it here, each columns 1 comma 2 comma 3, here instead of rows just write row here. Okay, okay, print star. Okay, print star comma, and also cursor don't want to move the next line. If you don't want to move the cursor next line, just print end parameter here. End is equal to space here. Okay, give space here. Okay, these are okay. Next rows, 0th row is finished now. Next, take here, observe this one, first row, second row, 4th row and 5th row, 6th row, these 5 rows, 0th column, 4th column. Okay, print orange is there, so the print their stars. Okay, first row, second row, 4th, 5th, 6th, in these rows, 0th column and 4th column fill empty stars. Okay, instead of orange, fill empty star, fill stars. Okay, there rows, first, second, 4th, 5th, 6th row, and elif row in 1 comma 2 comma take for 3 4 comma 5 comma 6 and column in 0 comma 4. Okay, print stars here, print star comma end is equal to, give some space here. Okay, if you don't want to put the cursor next line. Okay, so 0th row finished, first row is finished, second row is finished, 4th 5th 6th, 4th row, this 5th 6th row finished. The only left one is the third row. What's the third row? Third row, all boxes are, you have to fill stars in all boxes. Okay, in third row, 0 1 2 3 4, 4 columns. Okay, if row equal to 3, star comma end is equal to do some space there. Okay, so and also you fill the stars in these positions, and rest of the positions are empty spaces, no? So you have to fill the empty space also. So rest of the column just fill empty spaces. Else print spaces comma and is equal to, okay, next line. Okay, and also repeat for every loop, and here write print statement here. Okay, print statement, because each row, after each row you have to go to the next line. Okay, you have to go to the next line. If you want, after each row, if you want to go to the next line, you have to print statement here. Otherwise it gives different position, different diagram, different pattern. Okay, I'll execute it now. Output, see a position here. Okay, a position here. See, I hope you understand. For each row, it repeats 5 times. Okay, columns 5 is there, no? It repeats 5 times and checks the pattern. Okay, which position is there. Okay, and checks the conditions, if conditions, else conditions, and then it repeats another row also. Okay, that's it.